Today, we take you into the heart of an unforgettable speech, delivered by a man who changed the way the world sees poverty and banking. This is the voice of Professor Muhammad Yunus, Nobel Peace Prize winner and the father of microcredit, speaking to graduates at UC San Diego's 2016 commencement. Let us explore his powerful words, lessons from Bangladesh, and how a simple act of trust started a global movement. Part 1. A message to the graduates. Professor Yunus begins with a heartfelt congratulations to the graduates and their families, but almost instantly, he adds depth to his message. You are very lucky. Many young people in the world never had the chance to go to school. You have been given a great privilege. Now it is your responsibility to use it well. This was not just a celebration, it was a reminder. Education is a gift and a call to action. Yunus urges students not to use their degrees just for jobs or personal success, but to solve real problems. Part 2. His journey from Bangladesh. Muhammad Yunus wasn't always on the global stage. He started at Chittagong University, in a country struggling with poverty and injustice. But instead of turning away from the chaos, he stepped into it. Bangladesh had many problems, but I realized that in every problem there is an opportunity. You just have to look closely. One day, he met a woman who borrowed a few cents from a moneylender, only to fall into a lifelong trap of debt. That moment changed everything. Part 3. The birth of microcredit. Instead of waiting for someone else to act, Yunus did something revolutionary. He took a small step. He began lending tiny amounts of money into the poor from his own pocket. I lent just $27 to 42 people. They didn't need millions, just a few dollars to break free. From that humble beginning came a revolution, the Grameen Bank, formed in 1983. Part 4. Revolutionizing banking. Grameen Bank was like no other bank in history. It defied every banking rule ever written. Side-by-side comparison, traditional bank, Grameen Bank. Serves the rich, serves the poor, requires collateral, requires trust, operates in cities, operates in villages, involves legal paperwork, no legal documents. Banks ask, "How rich are you?" We asked, "How poor are you?" More than 97% of borrowers were women. Women who had no voice in society now became borrowers, decision-makers, and owners of the bank. Part 5. Global impact. Yunus's idea didn't stay in Bangladesh. It spread across the world, from Asia to Africa to Latin America. Muhammad Yunus. Almost half of the world's population is excluded from the financial system. That's not their fault. It's the system's fault. Grameen Bank became a global model. It proved that even the poorest people, when trusted, can become successful entrepreneurs, and it exposed the flaws in the world's financial systems. Part 6. Key lessons for the world. Yunus didn't just change banking, he changed how we think about poverty, dignity, and possibility. Muhammad Yunus. Poverty is not created by poor people. It is created by the systems we built. His message was clear. Don't just fix the system. Reimagine it. And don't wait for the world to change. Be the one who changes it. As the graduates stood, Professor Yunus left them with a challenge. Go ahead. Redesign the world. Make it better than the one you inherited. We are not job seekers. We are job creators. Muhammad Yunus.